Hey everybody, Brooks from Drag Times here, and we're here with the brand new McLaren 720S. I got it a couple weeks ago and I headed out of town for the Ford GT rally, and I'm back and we're ready to do some videos with it. First up, we're going to do a launch control demonstration in this car, do some 0 to 60s, maybe a quarter-mile run, and see what the performance is like. So let's get rolling and check it out. Alright, so here we are. We got the Azores Orange McLaren 720S. You really got to see this car in person to understand how outrageous it really is. The lines and the aero on this car are just phenomenal. All the way back here to the engine bay, which lights up a glowing nice red built in from the factory. Really trick, really cool. Visibility in the car is also pretty phenomenal. The entire top is glass, so when you're in the car you can see completely around you, unlike any other exotic I've seen before. So here you go, you press right here to open the door. Doors up. Dihedral part of the roof as well. We got the Gorilla Glass clear top right there as well. Let's hop in. All right, so you can see visibility completely around, all glass. Which makes it really easy to see around. No blind spots at all on this car. So we'll give it a start up here. Put on the brake. Open up the garage. Of course, the dash retracts in race mode. You press it here and that folds down, give you better visibility over the road. If you don't like it, you press the button again, pops right back up. So we'll pull the car out of the garage and do the launch control demo now. Let's rock. Alright, so here we are. We're in the 720S, ready to demonstrate how to use launch control. So first of all, obviously you have the car started. Put your foot on the brake and press the engine start button. That'll start up the car. Dashes come up. There you go. And put the car in drive. First gear. There we are. Take off the emergency brake. Can't do launch control with the emergency brake on. And then basically just make sure you're in active mode here. And you can leave these settings in anywhere you want, but I use track and sport. And then from there you put your left foot on the brake really hard, and then down here you got the launch button. So press the launch button. On the dash you'll say launch mode active, awaiting full throttle. At this point you just mash the gas all the way down, and it'll take a second or two and it'll say waiting for full boost, and then it'll say launch ready. So obviously I fell out of it there. It still says the L, so let's go ahead and give it a try. And there you go, boost building, boost ready, and at that point you can let go and off you go. So we're not going to launch it right here since I'm near the house, but I have some footage from the track last week when we ran 10-1 in the quarter mile. I'll roll that footage and you can see just how fast the car is. We were also running the V-Box, and the answer to the 0 to 60 question from the last video will come up, and if you're the winner, we'll contact you for that. And if you want to guess what this car hit 0 to 100 in, the first one to answer will get a free t-shirt. So here's the footage. Thanks for watching.
Yeah.